What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade again here for you, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Robonomics, which is the future of robotics on the Polkadot ecosystem and is a complete game changer. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free, so go ahead and check that out in the description, and I will also pin it in the comments below. All right, let's check this out. All right, guys, welcome back. So in our last video, we talked about the future of Polkadot and its impacts on the crypto ecosystem. Today, I'm continuing my series of Polka projects, which includes all of the current projects in active development in the Polkadot ecosystem. This is actually really exciting as there are a lot of projects we're gonna be covering here. So stay tuned and subscribe because some of these projects can make you lots of money very quickly if you play your cards right. So let's talk about what Robonomics is, how it got started, and how it joined the Polka project ecosystem. So what is Robonomics? Robonomics Network is an open source platform that connects IoT devices under the control of Ethereum and Polkadot networks, where cyber physical systems act as independent market agents capable of processing technical and economic data. Since 2015, 13 R&D projects have been completed on the basis of Robonomics Network. The already implemented use cases include the management of drone fleets in a decentralized network, robot artist Gaka-chu road space negotiation for autonomous cars, and chemical industry blockchain integration. Robonomics is the ready-to-work and open source platform which you can use to connect your robot as a service for end users, and they call it Robot as a Service. Robonomics support Web3 technologies that implement the exchange of technical and economic information between humans and machines. Robonomics is a purely technical and open source project. This project opens for developers a new audience of users, roboticists. But who built this?
I need to know how Skynet gets built. Who's responsible?
Vadim Manenko, master degree in robotics, has been studying it in ITMO University, Russia. He joined the Robonomics team in 2017 as a junior engineer. His main duties are creating demonstrations and connecting different kinds of robots to the Robonomics network, as well as providing source code, documentation, and maintaining all these use cases. Now that we know what Robonomics is, who built it, and what it's used for, let's check on the tokenomics of its native tokens. Yes, I said tokens as in plural. Both tokens of the Distributed Ledger Technology, or DLT, powered robotics and Internet of Things project, Robonomics, have been among those to surge alongside Polkadot, with the price of its utility token, XRT, increasing 10 times earlier this month. However, Robonomics Lifetime Subscription Token, which is Robonomics Web Services, or RWS, has also posted massive gains, becoming the first crypto token to trade for more than $100,000 when it tagged 116 grand in recent weeks. RWS's extreme price owes to the token's minute supply, with only 50 coins currently circulating from a maximum supply of just 100 tokens. While the first 50 tokens were distributed via the XRT RWS pairing on Unisawp, the remaining coins have been reserved for academia and nonprofit organizations. Robonomics leverages blockchain technology to build open source packages supporting robotics and smart cities. The RWS token comprises a subscription model experiment for the Robonomics network, with RWS guaranteeing lifetime transactional throughput to the holder of that token. Each token guarantees 1 transaction per second between the Robonomics Parachain and the token holder's IoT device, or 2.5 million transactions per month. Transactional throughput is also guaranteed to fractional RWS owners, with holders of 0.1 RWS gaining access to 1 transaction every 10 seconds, while the owners of 0.001 RWS can execute a transaction every 100 seconds, and so on. RWS is currently trading exclusively on Unisawp, generating close to 350,000 in 24-hour volume. The token has a market cap of just 4.65 million, ranking outside of the top 500 crypto assets by market cap. So let's talk about Robonomics' overall goal. The primary goal of the platform is to provide cyber physical systems with an opportunity to become autonomous economic agents. Let's just hope that it doesn't turn into this.
My father tried to teach me human emotions. They are difficult.
You mean you're a designer?
Yes.
XRT's utilities. Robotics and IoT devices can be used to pay for transaction fees incurred as a result of user-to-device or device-to-device interactions, staking, governance. But Robonomics Network's XRT goes to BSC and PancakeSwap. Robonomics officially starts its integration into the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. The team launched a bridge of XRT ERC20 to BEP20 in partnership with Unisawp exchange. It allows XRT to be listed on the biggest DEX on BSC, PancakeSwap, which is over 1 billion trade volume daily. As you probably know, the Ethereum network has had some issues with scaling recently, and this has led to high transaction fees while depriving retail investors of active trading on DEXs. This is the reason why many projects are creating BEP20 versions of their token on Binance Smart Chain, allowing them to enjoy low transaction fees of about 0.1 to 0.5 transactions a second. Now, all PancakeSwap users can trade the XRT made by Robonomics. Also, everyone who becomes a liquidity provider will be rewarded by the project's DAO. Those who will stake tokens can get roughly 13 XRT for each 1% of the liquidity pool. So what's my take on this? Well, let's first understand that Ethereum has some obvious issues with scaling and high transactions fees as it stands right now. As a free market advocate, I believe every service, product, network, etc. should try to find the best network or service platform to offer its customers the best overall customer experience. This has created a clear opportunity for Binance Smart Chain to lure certain projects over to their network, as it's significantly cheaper to operate and allows customers to gain affordable access in order to make trades. On the other hand, the cornerstone of crypto is that it's decentralized. That's its edge, that's its power. By choosing to go to Binance, which is the largest centralized crypto exchange in the world by volume, they are moving over to a very centralized network. But what choice do they have?
They've crossed the line.
You crossed the line first, so you squeezed them, you hammered them to the point of desperation. And in their desperation, they turned to a man they didn't fully understand.
As we speak this into new news, as of March 2021 for this BSC alliance, but I still think the long game is going to be optimized on Polkadot's network as intended, as it's already secured itself a slot on one of their very sought after parachains. As a recap, Robonomics Web Services, or RWS, are decentralized infrastructure services for robotics and IoT, working over the most promising Web3 networks, Polkadot, Ethereum, IPFS, and Filecoin for industrial, consumer, and commercial solutions. This robot economy is not quite mainstream yet, but as labor becomes more expensive and technology becomes more advanced, it seems that this is going to be the inevitable way of the future. Robots will one day run our economy. If this is the future, let's just hope it doesn't turn into a Skynet situation. All right, guys, what do you think? Are you gonna take a closer look at accumulating XRT? If not, are you gonna try now that it's part of Polkadot's lucrative ecosystem? Let me know down in the comments what you think about this and also what you feel about BSC taking over. And then go ahead and click right here and check out my video on why Polkadot's gonna be over $1,000 soon. See you guys in that video. Crypto Renegade out.